Sandali, BTS to, di ba?
No?
Ah, hindi ba?
No, this is Tomorrow X Together. TXT.
Oh!
Yeah.
BTS ako ng BTS.
Unboxing time. Target exclusive. Oh no, I don't want to look at it. The photo card fell out.
You see?
No, don't look at it. Don't show me yet.
It's not solo.
Oh, it's a group one?
Uh-huh.
Okay, it's usually a group one when it's Target exclusive. So, the Chaos Chapter Fighter Escape. What version is this? Fight. Ooh, okay. Okay. Ah! Okay, so I pulled a Huening Kai photo card, solo one.
Who's that?
Huening Kai,
Who's that?
one of the members. And then,
Sino yan?
huh? Taeyeon. I pulled a Taeyeon photo card. Then we got like this card because the concept was like skaters, I guess. And then we have a Taeyeon pop-up thing, a pop-up stand. And then I think this is a lyric book. Yeah, this is their lyric book. There you go, that's the track listings. Yeah, so we have the lyric book over here. We have a mini poster. Then bigger. We have sticker sets. I like the color scheme of this one better than the Chaos Chapter Freeze, but that's okay. And then we have Taeyeon postcard. I get lucky with him. He's not my bias. My bias is the one in my phone case. This is my bias. But when I bought the other other album, I got the same guy too, right? So Taeyeon postcard. We got the bigger version of the poster.
Yeah, yung photo card.
Oh, this is what the photo card looks like? So there you go, we have the bigger version. And then here's the CD, very pretty. And then the photo book. Yeah. And then the group photo card. Oh yeah, it's similar.
It's the same.
Yeah, so there's the group photo card. Okay, so we ordered the BTS Memories of 2020. And we're gonna unbox it. I got it tonight. And perfect timing because it's Jungkook's birthday tomorrow. And he just did his live today. So we're watching a compilation of him singing. Oh my god. Okay. First look. Okay. She's big. We're taking the box away. Here it is. Let's take it out of the bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. So we have a frame from B. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Andali, ayan na, unboxing na.
Oh no. What is that?
Wala phone.
Ah! Okay. There you go. More foam.
Ah.
Okay.
Alright.
First thing.
Ano
Oh
yan?
my god!
Sino yan?
I got
J-Hope?
What? We pulled sugar.
Oh,
Photo book.
photo book. Ayan.
Yeah.
Yan. Okay.
Okay. Photo book. Okay. We even have a table of contents.
Table of contents. Okay.
Ah!
RM. Okay.
There you go. Stamp collection.
Stamp.
Okay.
Oh.
Stamp. What's in the back? What's in the back? Do I put the photo part? Do you put it like this?
Magkano bili nyo?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh. So yeah, a bunch of pictures and the DVDs, which I will,
Wala, yun lang, unboxing.
I will be watching eventually once
Yun
I
lang,
have time.
unboxing, kaya nag-video ako.
I went to FYE today at the mall. And we got Love Yourself Answer! Woo! Okay. So unboxing time. I went straight to the mall after work, so I'm still in my work uniform. Can't open it. Yeah, I got a Jimin Funko Pop figure in like the Dynamite era, so it's kind of dented, but that's okay. Okay, so here it is. So at first, we're not gonna look at the stuff yet. So we're gonna look at the photo book. I got it there. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god, no. We're not gonna look at the photo card yet. Notes that they had. Gotta make it, gotta make it. There are a bunch of head stickers. Okay, so we got that. Are you ready for the photo card reveal?
Leave a guess.
You're gonna guess? What do you think?
And Jin is the first one who came into my mind.
Okay.
I have a feeling it's
Who?
J-Hope.
It's always J-Hope. I always manage to get J-Hope. No complaints though. So there it is. Ignore my feet. Okay, ready? Okay. Oh my god!
Who was it?
It's Jungkook. Show them. Show them. It's Jungkook! Yeah! But there we go. Jungkook photo card. Woo! That's my unboxing. They got me Formula of Love. Yes. Oh my god. Got Nina. Yes. So many. I know. Okay. We got Chaeyoung. We got Gio. Did we get all of them? Oh my god. That's crazy. There's so many. Yes. And then we got Jaeyeon and Sana for these things. Thank you. What's in it? There's some more? Damn. Oh my god. Yeah, thank you. My photo card binder. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Oh. Damn. Yeah. God, they're so. Oh, they're so. Oh. Wow. There's more.